Hello everyone, apparently Aabid here. Today I'm going to be using the GAN356 X again. If I can just open this. I'm using the yellow springs. I put that there. Green magnets. I'm going to be doing another average of 5. We'll see how I go. I will put the scrambles in the description. Just in case if you wanted to compare your results to mine, you guys looking to do that. Without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, it's back to. Huh? That was weird. I mess it up. But I'll take the 21.45. That's another one. Nah, gonna scramble. There we go. I believe I did 2 F2Ls there. That is surprising. That is surprising. Okay. That's another one. Yeah. Looks right. Yep. I got a last layer skip ish. We'll take that. Let's go another move. green, yellow, orange, red, white, green, blue, blue, red, white, blue. Okay, we got right. One more. Let's see if I can make a good one. D2, yeah, it's D2. Yep. I'm like, are you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready to go. Oh, nice. Those are my 5 solves. What is my average right now? 18.37. That's really good. I really like that. Yeah. I would say the first one I could have done much better. But yeah, we'll take it. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and leave a comment.